5 years married, 4 years of full-time travel, 3 months of quarantine. We're finally ready to move into our new Florida house. Welcome to Homecation. This is moving day.
The pod's coming in 2 minutes. Get ready. They made it. It doesn't look terrible in here either. This is how we packed it. 1, 2, 3. Apparently, Benny plays guitar.
The excitement of unloading all of our boxes is that we have wedding gifts that we haven't opened. We've been married for 5 years and a month now. And you know, when you have wedding gifts, you like have a shower before the wedding. So like these are almost 6 years old. I still remember everything from everyone. This is from my sister-in-law, Christy, thank you. And look I've used maybe some of these, but like it's still in the original packing. I mean, it's gonna be like Christmas. It's gonna feel like we just got married. Yeah, this is the original paper. Better get to baking. Phase 2. This layer is 1,800 pounds of packing cubes.
You might say to yourself, Tim, I thought everything was so easy with Amazon. You just ship to the warehouse and that sort of thing. Sometimes you work with a new supplier, you don't trust their quality control. So I personally, over the next half year, will inspect each and every one of these packing cubes before sending it out to Amazon.
No way. I had to grab the camera because I want Tim's reaction. I'm pulling these storage units off the wall to sweep back there.
What?
Just like keep looking.
Let me guess, a spider, a snake, You lived a good life. Well, you traded me jobs. You asked me to pull the stuff off the top. I was sweeping back here. That dead rat's all yours. I like how he looks squishy.
Oh my god!
He looks squishy.
No! No!
Yeah.
No!
Shovel.
Oh!
Baby.
That he has been there for a decade.
No way. He still looks spongy.
I'm not. You're sweeping that.
I'm not doing it.
Honey. So this is like a nice 3-car garage. It's freshly painted and stuff, but they didn't move the storage shelves and units when they painted. So like there's things like this going on. And then as we're moving in all the 1,800 pounds of packing cubes, we're gonna put them on these shelves over here, but it's like, okay, he's making me do this. You already made me go on the cave trip in Vietnam, and so I just feel like
you're flexing your muscles. Let's do this. Tolerance.
I can't look at it. Maybe I'll just like go like this.
You're totally missing. You're aiming for something like kind of a wet sponge that's stuck to the ground.
Stop! Oh my god. How is this? No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. No. Stop. I can't.
not moving. You gotta dig it.
Ah, it's like stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Okay.
It's very sticky.
Oh, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
Oh my god, Tim.
There you go.
Oh, I need like a shovel. Oh no. Is it moving? Did it go?
No, just all the mouse and shit is moving.
Oh my
Sorry,
God.
mouse poop.
It's a rat. It's not a mouse.
It's a Florida mouse.
It weighs half as much as
Okay,
Pepper.
so now
Here it is close up. Don't watch if you're going to be grossed out, but like here it is close up. Because some people might want to see.
tasteful.
Okay, you have to do it. You have to do the dustpan and you have to get close.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, you're so brave.
I'm not brave, it's just hair.
Oh no. Oh my god, you're so
Oh,
brave.
there's spiders coming out.
Oh my god, okay. Oh my gosh, you're so brave.
There.
Oh my god, you're so brave. Oh my gosh, Tim, you're so brave. A lot more than just sweep this.
Yeah. Sweet, quick mop.
Wow. Oh, this is all poop.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yep.
It's all poop. Oh my gosh. Okay, look it. We got a nice home. I don't want people to think that we got a hoard. This was not like a hoarder's house or anything. This is just, who knows? Maybe you have this going on in your garage as well.
And I think we're done here for today.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Wait, it's noisy in here with the laundry going. Wait, come back.
No, I'm not. Finny doesn't need to talk this in. The entire reason we even bought a house was so Finny could have this wine glass. This is all she cares about in the entire world. Travel, not her passion. She doesn't care. Pepper, a false love. This wine glass, that's it.
It's like the hip something from Crate and Barrel. I've seen other people with the same glass.
It's hip.
It's just like the series name. I don't know why I know that.
Welcome to Finny's hour-long wine monologue. Sorry.
You know, like those things of home you just miss? Well, like we didn't really ever have a home, but as we were getting wedding gifts, we were opening like little things along the way, and I think I even brought one of these in the RV maybe, but it's just like wine tastes so much better in this glass. And so let's have some. First night. Whoop whoop.
Cheers. Boomerang.
Boomerang. Boomerang. Ooh, that sounded plastic. There we go.
Boomerang.
Cheers. Thanks for joining us tonight. It should come as no surprise to you if you've been watching our channel that the very first item that was shipped here from Amazon was a rice cooker. That was not planned or anything, that just ended up happening, but that's just really funny. We've purchased multiple rice cookers at Airbnbs all over the world because apparently this is like an essential in our lifestyle, I guess. And then we end up just either leaving it at the Airbnb or giving it to a local who could use it, and this might be the 16th rice cooker we've bought in the past 3 years. Wait, what the heck? This has the P65 warning. It's a required label. This one says .ca.gov, so it must be required in Canada as well. But here it's required in California, that it's known to cause cancer and or reproductive harm. So there's some type of chemical on here This was like, Tim did so much research and he was like, this was the one, I don't know, it's Japanese, and he was all excited that he like spent more money and got like a special. Okay, maybe we're not gonna use this one. Okay, anyways, that's enough news about the rice cooker. I'll make something else for dinner. Day 2, going well. We feel like this is home already. Why don't I show you around a little bit? Yes, Tim.
Just doing that internet thing, doing that Comcast dance right now.
Oh, nice.
It's gonna turn off for just a minute. He's troubleshooting.
Oh, that's fine. I'm not doing anything. Okay.
We get stunning 100 megs down, which is nice. You know, slightly faster than the middle of the Vietnamese jungle. That's not even being sarcastic.
Okay.
But our upload speed's only 6 megabits per second.
That's
And
not enough for
That's
YouTube.
way too slow.
It's
too
so
slow.
slow, Tim.
Yeah.
I have some bad news about the rice cooker. It's got a cancer warning on it from some chemical that it's made from.
What? That's for California.
Well,
we're in Florida. We're fine.
Get,
It's from Japan. They're not going to give us
It's-
cancer. They're very long-lived people.
yeah, it's made in Bangkok.
Perfect. So we're trying motorcycles. That doesn't mean we don't like them. Spicy. You came for spicy commentary? That's what you get.
Don't worry, we're not gonna eat out of the cancer pot. Exciting new update in the rice cooker saga, Kyle. We have looked further into the issue and have now understood better that because the rice cooker is coated in Teflon, Teflon is required to have the label. Also, .ca.gov indicates California, not Canada. And this is also good information if you are looking into selling on Amazon, because it's some labeling things like this that become very confusing on certain types of products. So that's all just fun information and more than you ever wanted to know about rice cookers. Back to the video. Don't worry, we're not gonna eat out of the cancer pot. You're watching Homecation. Welcome to the before tour. This is our crib.